So next topic is versatile nature of carbon. There are three nature of carbon. First, catenation. Second, tetravalency of carbon. And third, tendency to form multiple bond. Let us see what is catenation. The property of self-linking of elements, mainly C atoms, through covalent bonds to form long straight branch chain and ring of different size is called catenation. So catenation is a property by which carbon atom, those element having carbon atom, they form covalent bond and form different size of molecules, and their structure may be in the form of long straight or branch chain or rings. Okay, and this property is said to be catenation. Let us see another property. Tetravalency of carbon. Carbon belongs to the group 14 of the periodic table and its atomic number is 6 and the electronic configuration is 2,4. Thus it has 4 electrons in their outermost shell. Tetravalency means, tetra means 4 and valency means valency. So carbon having 4 valence electron, that's why we can say tetravalency of carbon means they come in group 14. And the property of group 14, because in group 14 all elements having 4 valence electron, first number things. Second, its atomic number is 6 and their electronic configuration is 2,4, and thus it has 4 electron in their outermost shell. That's why we can say tetravalency of carbon. Let us see another one, which is tendency to form multiple bond. Okay, due to a small size, 6 atomic number, 2 and 6, only 2 cell are there. So due to its small size, carbon has a strong tendency to form multiple bond, double bond, triple bond, by sharing more than 1 electrons. Okay, so this is the third versatile nature of carbon, is to form multiple bond. Okay, last topic is homologous series. A series of similar constituted compounds in which the members present have the same functional group and similar chemical properties, and any two successive members in a particular series differ in their molecules formula, are said to be homologous series. So basically homologous series are those series in which similar components, similar compounds are there, in which their member present as same functional group and similar chemical properties. Okay, but differ in their molecular formula. Formula is different, but the property, chemical property is same. CH2 is a unit, it's called homologous series, means CH4, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10 are member of alkane family. Let us see. You need to understand that a set of pattern having CH4, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10, so they have similar functional group, but they have same functional group and similar chemical properties but different molecular formula. Okay, now let us talk about characteristics of homologous series. All members of homologous series can be represented by same general formula. These general formulas are, I want to tell you. First general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. So whatever the numbers of atom substituted here, they all are said to be 1, 2, 3 form. Okay, and the compound formed by putting 1, 2, 3, 4 in the place of n, they are said to be homologous series because they have same functional series and same chemical properties but different formula. Okay, C1H 2 into 1 plus 2 means CH4. Okay, similarly C2H6, these all having same structure, same chemical properties but different molecular formula. This is the first general formula. Okay, according to reduced syllabus, we won't able to study more about this chapter. General formula of alkene is CnH2n. Okay, and third formula is CnH2n minus 2. See, these are hydrocarbons, means all the atoms made up of hydrogen and carbon are said to be hydrocarbons, and there are 3 hydrocarbons are there: alkane, alkene, alkyne, and their formulas are there and the explanation examples are there. Okay, so whatever the formula made by this formula, this formula, this formula, so this series is a homologous series, this series is a homologous series, this series is a homologous series. Whatever the compounds come by this formula, they all are said to be homologous series. This formula homologous series. So same functional structure, same chemical properties but different formula. Okay, they are said to be homologous series. Thank you.